Another day, another story. Hello, and welcome to our latest video, where we will be discussing the amazing benefits of turkey tail mushroom. Turkey tail mushroom, scientifically known as Trametes versicolor, is a popular medicinal mushroom known for its health benefits. It is widely used in traditional Chinese medicine and is known for its immune-boosting properties. Today, we will explore the 6 incredible benefits of turkey tail mushroom and provide you with a usage guide. So, let's get started. Boosts immunity. Turkey tail mushrooms are rich in polysaccharides and beta-glucans, which have been found to boost the immune system. These compounds activate immune cells such as macrophages, T cells, and natural killer cells, which help protect the body against infections and diseases. Supports gut health. The gut microbiome is a complex ecosystem of microorganisms that play a crucial role in our overall health. Turkey tail mushrooms have been found to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which can help improve digestion and reduce inflammation. Fights cancer. Turkey tail mushrooms contain compounds called polysaccharopeptides, PSPs, and polysaccharide K, PSK, which have been found to have anti-cancer properties. These compounds help stimulate the immune system to target cancer cells and have been shown to improve the efficacy of chemotherapy and radiation therapy. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response of the immune system, but chronic inflammation can lead to a variety of diseases. Turkey tail mushrooms contain antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the body, which can help prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Improves energy and stamina. Turkey tail mushrooms contain ergothioneine, which is an amino acid that has been found to improve energy and stamina. Ergothioneine helps protect the body against oxidative stress, which can lead to fatigue and exhaustion. Promotes skin health. Turkey tail mushrooms contain antioxidants that help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants also help reduce inflammation in the skin, which can help prevent skin conditions such as acne and eczema. Now that we've covered the amazing benefits of turkey tail mushrooms, let's talk about how to use them. Turkey tail mushrooms can be consumed in a variety of forms, including capsules, teas, and extracts. You can also find them in powder form, which can be added to smoothies, soups, and other recipes. When buying turkey tail mushrooms, it's important to look for high-quality sources from reputable suppliers. It's also important to follow dosage recommendations and consult with a healthcare professional if you're taking any medications or have any health conditions. In conclusion, turkey tail mushrooms are a powerful superfood that can provide numerous health benefits. From boosting the immune system to improving gut health and fighting cancer, this mushroom is a true powerhouse. So, consider adding turkey tail mushrooms to your diet and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.